If you'd like to host a discussion board on your website, the forum module is the one you'll use to do that. If you don't see forum in your list of modules, simply let us know. Send us an email to support@snapshotweb.com and we'll upload it for you. Lots of times we don't upload this at first because it's a little more complicated than the rest of the modules and we don't want to scare you away. So now that you're an advanced user, you're more than ready for the forums module, so let us know and we'll put it up for you. So you see here I've added it to the top pane. I gave it a title. It's called Discussion Board. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you the very basic, the settings that it already comes with, how to use it, and then in future tutorials I'll show you how to change some of the settings. So here we have, this is what's called a group here. The group is called Discussions. We can add more if we want. And this is called a forum here. The forum is called General. I'm going to go ahead and click on General to get into this forum. You'll notice that we don't have any threads yet. It's just basically an empty slate. I'm going to click on New Thread, and I'm basically going to start a discussion or a thread of a discussion. So let's call this, miracles, and that's the subject. And then in the body here, I'll say, what's your favorite miracle? I'm sure that's a discussion you're having all the time, so it's a good one to put on your website. And I'll click Submit, and you see that we've got this area here. Now I can move and delete and edit and quote and reply to this if I'd like. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like when we're logged out. So I'm going to click on Log Out, and then we'll go back to that page there. So let's see, Modules, Resources. And you see here we've got still looking at the group and the forum. And if I click on Forum, I see there's one category. It's called Miracles. And if I click on that, I see I have What's Your Favorite Miracle? Now you'll notice I don't have any way to respond to this. I can't participate in this forum. I can only read it. And that's because I'm not logged in. Now, what you have to do is you have to set it up so that people can be a registered user on your site so that they can participate. And you can check out the tutorials on user registration on the Next Level page to see how to set that up. But let me just show you what it'll look like when someone's a registered user. I'll go ahead and click Log In. And so I've set up a user account for someone named Jane, and I'm going to log in as Jane. So I'm going to log in as Jane. Now Jane is not an administrator. You'll notice I don't have the editing bar at the top. The only difference now is I have options here. I can add a new thread. I can reply to this thread. So I have what's your favorite miracle? I want to reply. I just click on reply over here. And I can say, walking on water. Oops, or walling on water. Walling on water was cool, but walking on water was a little more cool. I'll click Submit. And there I have the response. Now, if someone wanted to quote, let's say you wanted to quote up here, you could click Quote. And then what that would basically do is it quotes this the question, and you just put your response right underneath. So, I'll say water to wine. Click Submit. And you'll see now down here we've got admin, which is what I was logged in when I first wrote. What's your favorite miracle? And this Jane is responding with water to wine. So that's the very, very basic level of the forum module. In the next few tutorials I'll show you how to do some other things with it.